Once considered one of the closest economic alliances in the world, the trade relationship between the United States and Canada is now under pressure. Tariffs, political tension, rising nationalism, and now, a dramatic shift in direction. It began with tariffs. Under the Trump administration, U.S. trade policy became increasingly protectionist. Steel, aluminum, lumber, no Canadian sector was safe. In response, Canada fired back with its own tariffs, and the once steady flow of cross-border commerce became a battlefield. Faced with economic uncertainty, Canada is pivoting. Trade talks have intensified with the European Union, and Asia is emerging as a major target. Canadian exporters are now building stronger ties with Japan, South Korea, and even Southeast Asia, to reduce their reliance on the American market. The shift isn't just global, it's local. The Canadian government has launched campaigns to boost domestic consumption. Buy Canadian is more than a slogan, it's a strategy. It's a message to the world. Canada can stand on its own. The numbers are clear. Canada's trade with non-US markets has surged in the past 18 months, while exports to the United States have begun to slow. What was once a 75% dependency on the US has dropped significantly, and it's still declining. But this isn't just about economics. It's about sovereignty, it's about resilience. And it's about not letting one nation's political winds dictate the future of another's economy. Canada is sending a message. When trust in an old partner fades, the future lies in forging new paths. As the world changes, so too do the alliances that shape it. Canada's move to diversify its trade is not just a response to tariffs, it's a declaration of independence. The next chapter in global trade is being written now.